Ah, really?
Yeah.
Sa Pakingko.
Ano ba yung impression ninyo sa Boracay Island?
Impression?
Opo.
It's actually not my first time, so I'm always here every year. Actually, like twice or more than every year. I always love spending time here in Boracay. If only I can live here, why not? Diba?
Usually, ano yung favorite spot mo dito sa Boracay Island?
Well, Station 1. Kasi iba yung sand niya. For some reason, you have to like observe. So Station 2, same lang naman yung sand, pero siguro for this one, it's finer, powdery. Just ganun.
Ano yung masasabi mo sa ibang mga turista na sinasabihan yung Boracay na overrated na siya?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sa Pakingko. Charot. You can say that because there's really a lot of tourists. Why? Because maganda yung Boracay.
Yeah.
Diba? Ito talaga yung something to be proud of. Like, I have like tourist na friends, like foreigners, mga foreigners. Hey, we wanna go to the